I'm interning at Cardboard Purchase Games. It's a local independent tabletop game company run in Philadelphia by a lovely married couple, Nicole and Anthony Amato. It didn't feel like an internship, it was more like a mentorship. I wanted to get better at game design, and that is really thinking about how the rules of the game comes together and provides a certain experience for the player. My goal for the summer was to create a tabletop game from start to finish and do some of the marketing involved with that. This internship has been spanning many different areas of what an actual independent game developer would be doing. It was very challenging. I had to do a lot of research on the different game mechanics and genres of tabletop games and seeing what was successful. I presented my game at a local meetup. I had to explain the rules and got it play tested by other people, and to do that you really have to explain the rules very well and get feedback from other people. Getting out of my comfort zone was really fun and interesting and challenging at the same time. Doing tabletop games has given me kind of a bigger perspective on games in general, and those kinds of design lessons that I learned in my mentorship can be readily applied in my video games endeavors. Generally speaking, the benefits of doing an internship is that you get hands-on experience. It's making me a lot more flexible in what I can do as an artist and as a game designer. I wanted it to be really attractive to independent video game developers because oftentimes within small studios, you have to wear multiple hats. My advice for students seeking an internship: find what opportunities there are out there, and at the same time, think outside of the box. Even if something isn't as advertised as an internship when you're looking online, you probably can still do it. Even if the internship is something that is not related to your field, you're still getting job experience like communication and working in teams, or just really seeing what it's like to be on the job. Other benefits include getting the contact info from people that you're working with. If you were a stellar intern, those people will definitely remember you. Honestly, truly believe I became a better game developer and game designer.